In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear the cache in Chrome. If a website looks outdated, loads strangely, or you're troubleshooting display issues, clearing your browser cache is a quick fix. The cache is a temporary storage where Chrome keeps images, scripts, and other files from sites you visit, so pages load faster next time. Over time, this stored data can become outdated or corrupted, which is when a clean slate helps. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're in the main browser window, not a pop-up. Next, look to the top right corner and click the three dots menu. This is Chrome's Settings menu, and it's where you'll find the tools you need. From the menu, hover over More Tools, then click Clear Browsing Data. This opens a dedicated window for managing what you want to remove. You'll see a time range drop down at the top. This controls how far back Chrome will clear data. If you only need to fix a recent issue, you can choose last hour or last 24 hours. If you want a full reset of cached content, select All Time. That clears everything stored in the cache since you started using Chrome. Now, ensure the box for cached images and files is checked. This is the key item that removes saved copies of images and site files, which forces Chrome to fetch fresh versions the next time you visit a page. You'll also see options for cookies and other site data and browsing history. These are optional. Clearing cookies can help with login or site behavior issues, but it will sign you out of most sites and reset preferences. Clearing browsing history removes the list of sites you've visited. If your goal is just to refresh how pages load, you can leave those unchecked. Once you've selected the time range and confirmed cached images and files is checked, click Clear Data. Depending on how much has built up, this may take a few moments. After it's done, websites might load a little slower the first time you revisit them, which is normal as Chrome rebuilds the cache with fresh files. That's it. You've successfully cleared the cache in Chrome. If a page was acting up, try visiting it again now. If you chose to clear cookies as well, be prepared to sign back into websites. For routine maintenance, clearing the cache occasionally can keep things snappy without disrupting your logins. Thanks for watching, and feel free to repeat this process anytime you need a quick browser refresh.